Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of BMW's most anticipated electric SUVs, the 2026 BMW i3. Sleek, smart, and fully electric, this is the future, refined. This year's i3 brings a more aggressive front fascia, slimmer adaptive LED headlights, and BMW's latest aerodynamic designs. Built on BMW's updated cylindrical platform, the i3 now feels even more balanced, lighter, and optimized for electric driving. Whether you're cruising through the city or taking on long-distance drives, this EV is designed to deliver luxury with purpose. It sits slightly wider with improved stance, making it look muscular but elegant. With bold paint options like smoky green, mineral white, and carbon black, the i3 is visually captivating. Newly redesigned kidney grills, now mostly sealed, improve airflow and range. BMW has also enhanced the thermal management system and added finer acoustic dampening. This isn't just a mid-cycle update, it's a leap forward. And with Level 2 Plus driver assistance, the 2026 i3 is smarter than ever. So, what makes it stand out in the EV SUV space? Let's take a deeper look, starting with the inside. The 2026 i3's cabin is an absolute masterclass in modern luxury. Dominating the dashboard is BMW's curved display, a 14.9-inch infotainment screen paired with a 12.3-inch digital cluster, running the latest iDrive 9 system. Voice control is ultra-responsive, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto come standard. You'll also find a new ambient light bar that reacts to driving modes and notifications. It feels alive. Seats are trimmed in sustainable Veganza leather, with contrast stitching and full lumbar support. Heating, cooling, and even massage functions are available in higher trims. The center console is minimalistic with a new gear selector and customizable haptic buttons. A premium Harman Kardon sound system with 16 speakers brings concert-level clarity to the drive. The rear seats offer generous legroom, reclining options, and USB-C ports built into the seatbacks. Cargo space hasn't been compromised either. You get over 500 liters, expandable with full flat seats. BMW also added ambient fragrance options and noise-canceling tech for a serene driving experience. Whether you're commuting or road tripping, the i3's cabin is where premium comfort meets digital luxury. But comfort means little without performance. Let's talk power. Under the sleek body lies BMW's latest Gen 6 xDrive powertrain. The i3 delivers up to 286 horsepower and 295 lb-ft of torque, launching from 0 to 60 in just 6.0 seconds. It's rear-wheel drive by default, but an xDrive AWD variant is rumored to launch later in 2026. The real magic lies in the updated 80 kWh battery pack, which now offers a range of up to 340 miles on the WLTP cycle. DC fast charging? You bet, 10% to 80% in under 30 minutes using a 150 kilowatts charger. BMW's dynamic regenerative braking adapts to traffic and terrain, boosting efficiency and control. Drive modes include efficient, sport, and individual, allowing for a customizable experience. In sport mode, the i3 sharpens throttle response, firms up the steering, and delivers a satisfying electric growl through its iconic sounds by Hans Zimmer. BMW has also enhanced the power electronics to reduce energy loss and improve cooling efficiency. The i3 isn't just eco-friendly, it's fun, punchy, and confident on the road. Speaking of the road, how does it handle out there? Let's find out. Behind the wheel, the 2026 i3 feels balanced and intuitive. The low center of gravity, thanks to the underfloor battery, means tight cornering and minimal body roll. The steering is light in comfort mode and sharpens instantly in sport mode. Whether you're gliding through city traffic or coasting down the highway, the i3 offers a quiet, stable ride. BMW's adaptive suspension adjusts in real time to road conditions, delivering plush comfort on rough surfaces. The latest ADAS suite includes highway assist, blind spot detection, and automatic lane changes. You also get real-time parking assist with a 360-degree camera and automatic reverse memory up to 50 meters. On wet or uneven roads, traction remains solid thanks to near-perfect weight distribution and precise torque delivery. Even the wind noise is barely noticeable. BMW has truly refined the NVH levels this year. Whether it's a long weekend escape or a daily grind, this EV adapts to your lifestyle without compromise. BMW promised confidence and calm behind the wheel, and the 9.3 absolutely delivers. Now, let's wrap this up with our final thoughts. The 2026 BMW 9.3 isn't just a mid-size electric SUV, it's a symbol of what modern driving should feel like. From its high-tech interior to its dynamic electric performance, BMW has fused innovation with signature driving pleasure. Is it the most powerful EV in the segment? No. But it's arguably one of the most balanced and refined. Compared to rivals like the Audi Q4 e-tron and Tesla Model Y, the 9.3 holds its own with luxury and composure. BMW's attention to detail, from the lighting to the drive, makes every moment behind the wheel count. With impressive range, fast charging, and a digital-first cabin, it's built for today's electric lifestyle. If you're looking to enter the premium EV space without giving up that signature German engineering, this is your ride. And with more updates and AWD on the horizon, the 9.3 is only getting better. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Would you choose the 9.3 over its competitors? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews and EV breakdowns. This is Automotive Cars, and we'll see you on the next drive.